Jeep Wrangler upgraded radiator unboxing. Jeep Wrangler upgraded radiator showcase. Aluminum construction for better heat dissipation. The four corners have been reinforced to prevent impact damage. Replacing the Jeep Wrangler radiator. Tools required for the procedure: electric ratchet wrench, flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, slip joint pliers, mid-size short extension bar, mid-size 10mm deep socket, mid-size Phillips bit, mid-size 8mm short socket, hose to help drain the coolant. Use a clean metal basin as a container to catch the coolant. Release the hood latches on both sides. Release the other side latch. Open the hood. Open the radiator cap. Lift the vehicle. Prepare a clean hose and a container to catch the drain coolant. Connect the hose to the drain port. Use slip joint pliers to open the drain port valve. Turn counterclockwise. After the coolant is drained completely, use slip joint pliers to close the drain valve. Turn clockwise. Remove the hose. Lower the vehicle. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the small hose clamp. Loosen the clamp. Remove the small hose. Remove the small hose clip. Remove the coolant reservoir. Release the air cleaner housing clips. Remove the crankcase ventilation hose. Use a flathead screwdriver. Remove the clamp in front of the throttle body. Remove the air cleaner housing and intake duct. Disconnect the intake air temperature sensor connector. Remove the intake duct. Since the fan connector on this vehicle is damaged, we need to cut and reconnect the wiring directly. Under normal conditions, simply unplug and plug the connector. Use a Phillips bit with an electric ratchet wrench. Remove the fan mounting screws. Use the same tool to remove the other mounting screw. Remove the upper radiator cover panel. Use a Phillips bit with an electric ratchet wrench. Remove the upper radiator hose clamp. Move the clamp aside. Use slip joint pliers to remove the other upper radiator hose clamp. Pull out the upper radiator hose. Remove the air cleaner. Use a Phillips bit with an electric ratchet wrench. Remove the lower radiator hose clamp. Use the same tool to remove the other clamp. Remove the lower radiator hose. Continue using the same tool. Remove the lower radiator fan mounting screw. Remove the bolt. Remove the cooling fan. Use a 10mm deep socket with a short extension bar and electric ratchet wrench. Remove the radiator mounting screw. Remove the bolt. Use the same tool. Remove the other side mounting screw. Remove the bolt. Use a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the front bumper upper mounting clips. Damaged clips must be replaced during installation. Remove the front bumper trim panel. There are clips on the lower side. Pull it straight out. Disconnect the fog light connector. Disconnect the other side fog light connector. Remove the front trim panel. Use a 10mm deep socket with a short extension bar and electric ratchet wrench. Remove the transmission cooler mounting screws. Remove the bolt. Use the same tool. Remove the other side cooler mounting screw. Use an 8mm short socket with a short extension bar and electric ratchet wrench. Remove the condenser mounting screws. Remove the bolt. Remove the radiator. Jeep Wrangler Radiator old versus new comparison. To improve cooling efficiency, we are replacing it with a new upgraded radiator. Remove the upper bushing from the old radiator. Remove the lower bushing. Remove the other side bushing. Prepare to install the bushings. Replace any damaged bushings. This is for demonstration purposes only. Install the other side bushing. Install the radiator. Source a 6mm diameter bolt. Replace the original condenser mounting bolt. Install the bolt. Replace the other side bolt as well, and thread the bolt in. Replace the remaining mounting bolt. Use an 8mm short socket with an electric ratchet wrench. Tighten the condenser mounting screw. Use an 8mm short socket with a short extension bar and electric ratchet wrench to tighten the remaining mounting screw. Use an 8mm short socket with an electric ratchet wrench. Tighten the remaining mounting screw. Install the transmission cooler mounting screw. Install the other side mounting screw. Use a 10mm deep socket with an electric ratchet wrench. Tighten the cooler mounting bolt. Use an 8mm short socket with a short extension bar and electric ratchet wrench to tighten the cooler. On the other side mounting bolt, thread in the radiator mounting bolt. Install the other side mounting bolt. Use a 10mm deep socket with a short extension bar and electric ratchet wrench to tighten the radiator mounting bolt. Use the same tool to tighten the other side radiator mounting bolt. Install the cooling fan. When installing the fan, if there is an alignment issue with the holes, you may need to grind the lower clip position. Install the fan mounting bolt. The original bolt need to be replaced. Install the remaining mounting bolt. Use an 8mm short socket with a short extension bar and electric ratchet wrench to tighten the fan mounting bolt. Use the same tool to tighten the remaining bolt. Connect the radiator fan connector. Install the lower radiator hose. Use a Phillips bit with an electric ratchet wrench to tighten the lower hose clamp. Install the upper radiator hose. Use slip joint pliers to tighten the clamp. Use a Phillips bit with an electric ratchet wrench to tighten the clamp. Install the coolant reservoir. Install the small hose. Use a flathead screwdriver to secure the small hose clamp. Install the air cleaner. Install the intake duct. Before installation, make sure the intake air temperature sensor connector on the lower part of the intake duct is connected. Install the intake duct and air cleaner housing cover. Use a flathead screwdriver to tighten the intake duct clamp. Install the crankcase ventilation hose. Secure the air cleaner housing clips. Secure the small hose. Prepare to install the front bumper trim panel. First, connect the fog light connectors. Install the front bumper trim panel, align the clips, and install. Install the upper radiator cover panel. Install the front trim panel clips. Replace any damaged clips with new ones. Open the coolant cap. Add coolant. Close the coolant cap. After adding coolant, start the engine. Check for any coolant leaks. Close the hood. Secure the hood latches. Secure the other side latch.